An important function to simplify the coating evaluation for you is the setting of the limits. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set a limit and how to read them off. We start via the Home button into the main menu of the gauge. Then we navigate to the tab Limits. In the Limit submenu, we jump directly to the first menu item. Here in the example, Limits Off. If you can't select a limit, be sure that no area is activated from your previous task. In the current submenu, we have the selection of the various limits that the gauge brings. We have the option of not setting any limits or limits off. There's a simple limits, completely individual limits, limits according to ISO 19840 and IMO SSPC, as well as SSPC PA2 level 1 to 5. In our tutorial, we will go into the simple limits and select them. In the submenu of the simple limits, we now have various settings that we can make. For example, we can specify a maximum and a minimum. We currently do not want averaging and area automatic. With the area automatic, we can define how many measuring points the area consists of, if we have an area active. Let's go into the measuring mode and record 3 measuring points to begin with. We can already see that a measuring point that are outside to the tolerance are highlighted in red. In addition, in the lower window we can see the average value, the maximum and a minimum, as well as the standard deviation. However, we have several options for this window. By tapping on the arrow keys at the bottom, we can come to the option of the view. In this, we can use the right, left arrow keys to select the various options. The graphical evaluation is interesting in our example, because here you have a live evaluation of the measurement data. For a better clarity, we record further measuring points to see the statistics will change. Currently, 23 measuring points have been recorded, which can be seen in the upper left area of the display. In the graphical statistics, we can read directly which measurement values are inside and outside of the defined tolerances. Measured values which fall below or exceed the tolerance are shown in red. Measured values within the tolerance, blue. So we have an additional optical option to check the coating signals directly during the measurement. Using this simple function, the gauge supports you in evaluating your coating even more easily and efficiently, without having to navigate through complex menus.